Okay. Welcome to today's class, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about versatile nature of carbon. Okay. Today we are going to discuss versatile nature of carbon. Here, first we have to understand, we have seen the formation of covalent bonds by the sharing of electrons in various elements and compounds. So we have also seen the structure of simple carbon compound methane. In the beginning of the chapter also we saw how many things we use contain carbon. In fact, we ourselves are made up of carbon compounds. The numbers of carbon compounds now we detected is millions together. So, carbon has millions of compounds. Carbon has millions of compounds. Then how it is possible for the element carbon? That is the concept we have to discuss in this class. Okay students, first we have to know two important properties of carbon help to form these millions of compounds. Which are those important characteristics? Means catenation. The number one is catenation and tetravalent nature of carbon. So what is catenation? Here carbon has the unique ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large molecules. So this property is called catenation. These compounds may have long chains of carbon, branched chains and rings also. This property is called catenation property of carbon. This is the element has unique property of catenation. In addition to that, one more thing we have to remember here. In addition to that, carbon atoms may be linked by single, double and triple bonds, my dear students. Here we have to look into that. So look here, carbon single bonds. These type of carbon atoms, carbon compounds called saturated carbon compounds. Saturated compounds. When in a compound, of carbon, only carbon atoms contain single covalent bonds, then those type of carbon compounds called saturated compounds of carbon. And then again we have to know carbon atoms connected with double bonds and carbon connected with triple bonds. These type of carbon compounds are called unsaturated carbon compounds. Unsaturated carbon compounds here. So this is the unique property of carbon. It is helpful in performing versatile nature. So here also in catenation also three types of chains present here. Three types of carbon chains present. Which are those? One, straight chain carbon compounds. Straight chain carbon. straight chain. It looks like this. Look here, carbon carbon atoms attached with straight chain. This is called straight chain carbon compounds. And the next type of chain is branched chain. Carbon makes compounds with branched chains. Branched chain like this. You look here. Carbon. It starts with butane only. The first branched structure started with the 4 carbon atoms of butane. Like this, you do the branched chain. You see the branched chain carbon atoms here. And the third, ring structures. Rings of carbon. Rings of carbon. It looks like this. Look here. This is called cyclocarbon compounds. Okay. It has 3 carbons, so it is called cyclopropane. Cycloprop. Okay, like this. And if we see the 4 carbon cyclo compounds also, like this, carbon makes different types of chains here. We look that straight chain carbon atom, straight chain carbon compounds, branched chain carbon compounds, and rings of carbon compounds also helps to make so many number of carbon compounds. So the second property we have to know that the carbon has the versatile nature. It will be the helpful property of carbon to make so many millions together compound, that is tetravalent nature. Tetravalent nature. Since carbon has a valency of 4, it is capable of bonding with 4 other atoms of carbon, my dear students, or atoms of other elements also. Carbon makes bond. So carbon also forms bonds with oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, and so on. Again, one more thing, we have to understand that bonds that carbon forms with most other elements are very strong, and compounds are stable also. You know that the carbon bonds also very strong and stable, and when it forms bond with other elements also stable compounds. That's why carbon forms millions together carbon compounds are present in nature. So millions together carbon compounds we can find in nature. We can find in our nature. So that's why we see food, clothes, medicines, fuels, fuels, and so many things are carbon based, my dear students, are carbon based. Did you understand the concept? And no other element exhibits the property of catenation. Here we have to know one thing. Silicon is the element performs compounds with hydrogen. Silicon forms compounds with hydrogen which have chains up to 7 or 8 atoms. Up to 7 or 8 atoms of chains. And here one more thing we have to know, that these compounds are very reactive. The compounds of silicon with hydrogen and it makes some bonds. These compounds are reactive. These compounds are very reactive. So that's why we have to know that carbon is the unique element. Carbon is the unique element. It has the property of catenation and tetravalency nature. It makes millions together compounds, and we have millions together carbon compounds in our nature. Thank you very much.